Yes, welcome my friends, welcome. So today I'm going to be proving to you guys that digital adverts is not a scam. It is a company paying us real money. As I told you, this money you work for it. It is not free money. How do you work for it? You have to watch the adverts, you have to answer surveys, and you have to tell a friend or your friends about the app. It is not a must that you have to bring someone for you to earn. You have to just watch the adverts. Yes, so right now I'm logging into the website. I want you guys to follow up clearly to this situation and see whether we are getting money or we are not getting money. So this is the website. I think you can see it. So today I want to come up with the proof that we are getting money from digital advertisement. So let us log in. Since I have the account with me, I'll just log in. Yes, let me log in and you see the money I have. And you see the money. So let us see how much I'm making. Yes, let us see how much I'm making with this account. Let me see. So guys, as you can see, this is my account. From here I'm just going to log in. I want you guys to follow up the whole situation. I want you guys to see how much people are getting. Serious people are getting just watching adverts and getting some few friends. You can see the money my friend here is making. In my past video I shown you how much I make per day, how much I make in watching adverts, how much I make from my friends who watch on my behalf, how much I get as a company gets profits. Yes, so you can see the money that I have. Withdraw funds, that's the money I have right now. Total earned, this is the money he has got since he entered. And total paid, that is the money. I want you guys to watch this very clearly. I'm going to be showing you where he gets that money from. So right now you can see he has over 19 referrals and 12 rewards. And when you reach 10 referrals, you win a t-shirt. When you reach 50 referrals, you win a laptop. Yes. So let us see whether this guy gets money or he does not get the money. So you can see I want you guys to follow the dates very well and we all read it through. Today is 24th October 2021. So he got 1,000, bought airtime worth 1,000 on this number. So we can see cashback 30 shillings for buying airtime. Yes, so the same day he bought airtime and was given another cashback. Let me hope you guys are following it. You see this 45 is cashback earning for buying airtime. Yes, so the one in red shows he used that money, so the one in green is a cashback. That's how he manages to raise these amounts in all the transactions he's doing. So how does he get these 4 shillings? Level 1 airtime commission. One of his friends bought airtime and he managed to get 4 shillings as his commission. So that's how he's getting the money. Yes, I think you guys are seeing how he's getting this money. Yes, let us try to see. Let us try to view his network and we will see what's going on. I want you guys to prove that these guys are getting richer and richer every day. Yes, as it is loading, I want to prove to you guys people are making money. Yes, so you can see this money. You will be getting this money anytime. So from the 19 people, he brought 12 are active and has managed to get this money, 280,000. Yes, and all are his active referrals. He gets 3% from whatever his referrals are doing. That's why you manage to see those little shillings of 10 shillings, 4 shillings, 15 shillings, 100. Yeah, and I told you over time that money increases depending on how people use the website. So my referrals from here, this is the link you use to give out to your friends, to your neighbors, to your girlfriends, to encourage them to join and eat on this free money. So meanwhile, let me go to my dashboard. You see how people are getting money in digital adverts. People are getting money in digital adverts. Yes, you can see we have discussed about this. Him being with this badge means he's a founding member. In the next few videos, I'll be discussing with you the difference between a founding member, the ordinary member, and the agent. I want everybody using this app to earn some little money. Thank you for watching. Then be free to watch the next video where I'm going to be showing you how to register, how to start earning this money.